The development of folding machines can be traced back to the end of the 19th century. With the advancement of printing technology, initially, mechanical folding machines were used to fold paper through mechanical force. With the development of electronic technology, electronic folding machines emerged, realizing a linkage between printing and folding, further improving production efficiency. In the future, folding machines will continue to develop, improving performance and functions to meet the ever-changing application needs.